Hello and ni hao. I'm Mark Brown, 1995 world champion of public speaking with Toastmasters International. Toastmasters is the world's premier nonprofit organization dedicated to helping individuals from all walks of life to excel in the areas of communication and leadership. Toastmasters also has a special program just for young people ages 18 and under. It's called the Gavel Club program, and young people there are called Gaveliers. Let me introduce you to Sea Dragons Gavel Club in Shenzhen, China, led by Bruce Yu. The Toastmasters Gavel program includes use of the Toastmasters traditional manuals to learn and grow. Young people get to participate in club meeting roles, to serve in club officer roles, and also on one of 5 different club committees. They get to enjoy educational series such as the Better Speaker Series, Successful Club Series, Leadership Excellence Series, and they get to earn international awards in communication and leadership, such as the CC, Competent Communicator, the CL, Competent Leader, the AC, Advanced Communicator, and AL, Advanced Leader Awards. You see, the Toastmasters Gavel Club is a clear and proven pathway to personal growth for young people ages 18 and under. Now, in addition to manual projects, they have online workshops, even one-on-one speech consultations, and everyone's favorite international speech contests. Every year, young people from over 300 Gavel clubs on 3 continents get to participate. They have prepared speeches, impromptu speeches, evaluations, debates, storytelling, humorous speaking, and even dramatic performance. Each of these contests follows a structured format with trained judges and 7 contest officials to make sure everything runs smoothly. They begin at the club level and advance through to group championships. Perhaps everyone's favorite is the annual Global Youth Public Speaking Championship. That's right, Gaveliers get to crown their own world champions. The Gavel program is ideal for young people ages 18 and under. Young speakers get support, they receive feedback, they build their confidence, they build community, and they gain an advantage over everyone else in their age group who does not have the benefit of the Toastmasters Gavel program. Please get involved. Join Sea Dragons Gavel Club. And to find out how, contact Bruce Yu. It's the ideal program for young people ages 18 and under. I could not recommend it more highly, and I invite you once again, join Sea Dragons Gavel Club.